Welcome to today's video, where we'll be showing you how to add video reviews in WooCommerce. Adding video reviews to your WooCommerce store is a great way to boost customer engagement and increase sales. If you run an online store using WooCommerce, you may want to add video reviews to your product pages to give your customers a better idea of what they can expect from your products. Adding video reviews to WooCommerce is actually quite simple and can be done in just a few easy steps. Prerequisites. As you might already know from one of our previous videos, WooCommerce offers functionality for customer reviews out of the box. As a prerequisite for displaying video reviews, we first must activate the standard WooCommerce reviews. This is done on the Products tab in WooCommerce settings. Unfortunately, there is no option to attach and display video with reviews while having only the WooCommerce plugin alone. We need to install an additional reviews plugin that will add the video reviews capability to our website. Which plugin to choose? The good news is that there are several free plugins available for WordPress that could help us to add video reviews in WooCommerce. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's use the plugin called Customer Reviews for WooCommerce. It is a free plugin that is developed and maintained by our team. The plugin is installed on a lot of websites and highly rated on WordPress.org, so you can be sure that it is reliable and well tested. Step 1. Install and activate a plugin for video reviews. The first step is to install and activate the Customer Reviews for WooCommerce plugin on your website. You can download this plugin from the official WordPress plugin directory or directly from the admin panel of your WordPress website. Step 2. Configure the plugin settings. After activating the plugin, go to the Settings page and configure the plugin as per your requirements. You can find settings related to video reviews on the Review Extensions tab of the plugin settings. Step 3. Enable video reviews for your products. The next step is to enable the checkbox that will add UI elements for video reviews. Here, you will also find options to set the maximum number of media files, such as videos or photos uploaded for each review and the maximum file size. Step 4. Customers can now add video reviews. Once you have enabled the video reviews option, customers will be able to upload video along with their reviews on your product pages. They can add their reviews and upload videos directly from the product page. The videos will be displayed in the product review section along with the review text. In conclusion, adding video reviews to your WooCommerce store is a simple yet effective way to enhance customer engagement and increase sales. By following these easy steps, you can enable video reviews on your WooCommerce site and offer customers a more engaging shopping experience. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.